Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 19th of December 2017. It's just about 10 minutes past 1 o'clock. Right, let's see what's happening in Nifty. Nifty is almost flat, doing nothing. Yesterday it created havoc. It created so much of, panic. And today it's doing nothing. So let me just mark the morning range and see what's happening. It's not breaking this morning range, neither in the upward direction nor in the downward direction. So, basically Nifty is doing nothing. We will have to wait and watch what happens in, let's say, probably it's trying to wait till about 1:30 when the international markets will open. But overall, as I told you, I am pretty much positive about it. Now, as I have been saying time and again, when the moving averages are very, very close, be really alert. Like what could be the possibilities that it may fall, take a support and bounce back, or it may just fall and come to take a support on 200 moving average. So I'm just waiting. I'm not going to be, exposing my more positions, right? But I'm just holding. I'm just holding that one lot that I did with you all. Yesterday also I was holding it. Today also I'm holding it, right? So just hold it, and one more thing that I can do right now for you guys is I'm going to put the Bollinger Bands, right? Let's see what happens with the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so here is the Bollinger Bands, and if you see here, there is a squeeze in the price taking place, right? Waiting for a breakout. Now, see, as I told you earlier also, that how do you really look into the whether the price breakout will happen in the upward direction or in the downward direction? You get a bit of support from the RSI and MACD, right? Whereas MACD is, but in this case, there is not much of clarity. If you see, RSI is taking a resistance and MACD is almost on the verge of taking a turn and going in the upward direction. So we'll have to wait, like there's a bit of confusion in the market. Okay, so that is why we are not being able to make up our mind. So I'm holding my position as long as it remains above 50 moving average. I'm not exiting it, or rather I would say I will remain in my position until it crosses the 200 moving average in the downward direction. So I'm right now in it. So I wanted to show you a few stocks, so see here, this is VIP clothing. This is VIP clothing's today's graph, 1-day graph, given a good about how much, what percentage it has given today. At least it's given 12 to 13% return in one single day, right? In one single day, it's given a return of 12 to 13%, right? So what I'm saying, that identify such stocks. Another stock that I want to show you is, which is giving a good, return, is KRIDHAN, right? KRIDHAN Infra. This is what the stock has given. We gave it to you at about 100 rupees a few days back. I think I gave it on Rockers, or where did I give it? See here, let me just take you here. So VIP clothing, so we gave here, and even we gave this on the Rockers. KRIDHAN Infra we gave on Rockers group, and we gave it at 100 rupees, and the day was December 12th, just exactly 1 week back. 5 trading sessions, and it has given 17% return, right? So this is how our stocks perform. This is how. And one more stock, how can I forget? It has given a good 10% return today, Gufic Bio, right? These are my stocks. This is what I teach you. This is what I actually make you master in. Like all those you see here, you must have been looking. Let me take you to Stock Rockers. See here, all these that you see here, right? These are our member stock. Like I have many more such, which members have given, right? So what can you really do is, I mean, you should be able to, like, this is, every member does this kind of trade, like, it's not just one or two, it's most of the members do like trading like this, right? And if you want to learn in the, like, I'm going to read out one of the members review. What he said, that I feel more educated, his name is Swami. He says, hope you're doing good. After taking this course, I feel I'm more educated. Wish I took the course long back. Anyway, hope to make profit soon so that my screenshot is posted by you. I feel bit financially more independent. Thank you, ma'am. So what I'm saying, that always, work on your, fundamentals. You should be able to identify correct stocks, and you should be able to enter at the right time in them, right? Entry exit matters a lot. Today I have entered into UPL. I have done intraday trade of UPL. I'll show you. Where did I enter UPL? I bought it at 732.55. Where is it right now? I bought 200 shares and it's at 735.25, right? So good, about 600 rupees profit here. And then I have entered Bank of Baroda. I lost. I lost this because I bought shares and lost it. Like, this was a complete loss that I had. And another stock that I entered was the Tata Global. Tata Global is 296.8. And where is it? It's roughly at the same point. And then I have entered into UPL. UPL is also roughly about at the same point. No, UPL is fine. UPL is fine. Tata Global is fine. And another stock, this hit my stop loss. Baroda, Bank of Baroda. I lost 1,000 rupees here. And Tata Global, UPL is fine. Then one stock that I have entered is Ajanta Pharma. So I made an order of 200 shares, but I think by the time my order was hit, the stock already moved up. And I bought it at 1456.9. And where is it right now? 1463.75. Of course, it touched even much higher values. So all these are my stocks. So if you want to analyze these stocks, I mean, if you want to enter at the right time, right, you should learn about the market, right? Now let's just quickly put the Bollinger Bands and see what's happening. It's hitting in the lower side. The band is being hit on the lower side in the 15 minutes, right? So I still, as my time frame is always 15 minutes, I'm holding it, right? I'm holding it. I do not want to exit, right? I'm just holding it. Okay, so now some of the other stocks that I have found today for you. Let me just show you those stocks that I have given you here is Tin Plate and India Glyco. India Glyco is also one of the very good stock, in the sense you don't get them on support every other day, right? India Glycols, you don't get them on support. See, it's been going up, and only yesterday it came on a support and bounced back. So to me, this looks pretty good, like, so this is one of the stock that I have on my radar. The other stock that I have found is the Tin Plate. We've given it many times, but I'm going to give it again. This, right? So it has to go above this particular value. Like, it has to be above 267. So your purchase point should be 266 or 267, not before that, right? If it crosses that, then it's a good opportunity to enter into it. Okay, so always, have, like, your analysis have to be a day in advance. You can't just sit on the terminal and decide, okay, now I'm going to trade in this particular stock, right? It's not that. It has to be well in advance. You should know about it. See how this is going. UPL, right? It's heading up nicely. I entered somewhere here. 732, somewhere at this point. Here only, I entered on the third candle itself. After that, it came down, touched 10 moving average. Now it is heading nicely up. Okay, so another stock that I told you about VIP clothing, I told you about Gufic Bio, I told you about the KRIDHAN Infra. And these are my stocks, but my members, I want to show you their stock. Like one of the member have traded in, let me give you their stock so that you can also understand what kind of stocks my members are giving, like how is their understanding. So one of them is NR Bearing, like that's also had a huge breakout today. This is the breakout today. From 160 it went up even 175, like that means about 10% move this particular stock has given, right? Another stock that I want to show you, which they have been talking about, is one is definitely Jamna Auto, and the other one that I want to tell you is, let me just figure it out here. This was Rama Krishna Forge. Just see the breakout this stock has given. Ram Krishna Forging, right? Just look at it. This is the breakout it has given today. Their entry price was 790 or something, somewhere here, and it went up in 2 days from here to here, right? Till it even touched 880. That's what its highest price today. So this is the beautiful run up my members have been giving. These are the stocks that they are giving. So I'm saying I am feeling so happy that I could be instrumental in empowering so many people. And I'm just waiting, for you guys to be able to learn, and earn from us, be educated about the market and then only enter into the market. Otherwise, the only thing that waits for you if you enter market without learning, it's just 30,000 rupees, and that to be, we give you various options. You can pay by credit card, you can pay by, you know, installments on credit card. If you don't have a credit card, apply for one and get one credit card for yourself. And if you have the credit card, you get the EMI option, have about 30,000-40,000 rupees in your account. Like every day members earn money. And we have simple strategies for BTST, and like you buy a day before and sell the next day. Very simple technique, but it gives you consistent profits. I would say, if I have to give a percentage to it, so good about 90 to 95% accuracy is what we have in this BTST strategy. I can shake. I would, definitely share with you all, my members' feedback and my members, how they perform with BTST calls. It's such a, um, pain-free trade. Like you buy it about 320 and sell it by 9:15 next day morning, put the AMO order and just forget about it. You will see the profits coming in every day the market opens. So if you want to learn all those technique, we do intraday. I do teach intraday. Like I have told you, I've done trading in UPL today and it's heading up. I'm expecting good profits to coming in. And then we do teach you equity. Equity is we are masters of equity. And then of course we teach you options. We teach you BTST. We teach you positional trading. We teach you futures. Every single segment we'll be teaching you. So get ready. Now our webinar begins on 6th of January, right? So you will be able to figure out the stocks on the breakouts. You will be able to figure out the stocks on the verge of having which are about to become multi-bagger stocks. So learn all with us, and you will be able to work in a group of like-minded people, like those who are dedicatedly working in stock market only. Such will be your support system, and working together, finding out good stocks together. This is how our learning platform will be. Not only that, we ensure that whatever is your investment, you get it back, right? You get it back by your own analysis. And when it is such a commitment that we are doing, you don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. You just need to give yourself for 15 to 20 days to learn this program, earn along with us, get your money back, and have consistent profits all your life. Let me just now once again quickly go back to Nifty and see what's happening, right? Let's see, what's happening. And see here it is, there is still not, the channel has not broken yet. So I'm waiting. When this seems to be going horizontal, I have not exited my Nifty. I'm still in Nifty. You can see over here, right? As I told you, UBL, there is a profit of about 880 or something. Ajanta Pharma have some profits. Tata Global is little negative, and as I told you, my stop loss was hit in Bank of Baroda. So that's okay. Like sometimes you gain, sometimes you lose, because I entered with certain, perception, but it didn't work out. So, but that's also a part of my learning process. So I'm still holding my Nifty. I'm not going to exit until I've met, when my criteria has been met. All right. And I'm hoping that it should give me good profit by the end of the day. Right. So the market is waiting for international markets to open. Even I'm waiting for it, so that we take a clue from there and decide whether it goes up or it goes down. Just let's quickly go through the option chain. Let's see what's happening in the option chain. If you see 10,400, this is where it is, right? So there has been a call writing happening. That's why it's not going aggressively above 10,400. If you see how many calls have been written here, so it's 1,66,000 today itself, right? And how many puts have been written? Just see here, 11 lakhs. This is where it is. This is 11,15,000. See here, 11,15,000. So that means, with respect to calls, the put writing is much heavy. That means under no condition Nifty is going to go below 10,400. That forms its solid base. Now, what is the target? What could be the target? Of course, there is a hurdle at 10,450, but not a huge one. The biggest hurdle that we have is at 10,500. So, what I'm understanding from here, that the Nifty stance is positive. No matter what, Nifty does plan to go up, right? Nifty is definitely planning to go up. So now almost all of them are positive. I'm just going to exit. These are all intra. These 3-4 were my intraday trades, right? Ajanta Pharma, Tata Global, UBL, and Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda hit my stop loss, so 1,000 rupees loss. And these are my gains. But I'm expecting all three of them. Now, since the breakout has come, see here, this is Nifty, this is UBL, and let me put here the other one, which is UBL Nifty, and Ajanta Pharma is right here. This is Ajanta Pharma. And one last stock that I have here is Tata Global. Right, Tata Global I'm going to put here. Tata Global, right? And this I'm going to make 15 minutes, because my entry and exit based on 15 minutes. So this also is looking nice to me. So all my stocks are heading up. So hopefully they should be end of the day, or maybe another hour's time or so, I should at least be able to recover my loss of 1,000 rupees and have some positive trade out of the entire day. Right now it's 630 plus 100, 730, roughly about 800 rupees is what I'm earning, and my loss is 1,000 rupees. So at least I should make 1,500 rupees. Then I would say, okay, it was a profitable day, right? So with this, let me sign off. But once again, before I sign off, let's quickly look into Nifty. So Nifty looks definitely, as if now I'm finding it very positive. I don't see any reason for me to feel negative about it. It looks positive to me. I'm holding my position. I will hold my position till I get the definite signs. I'm not exiting it, right? So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you all for my webinar, which is starting on 6th of January. Also, if you want a webinar in Hindi, please do write to me an email, or we will put a We will take a poll on our Telegram channel. I request you all, every single person, to please join my Stock Pro. This is a public forum that I have. I've given 2 stocks today: India Glycol and Tin Plate. Please join it. You will get beautiful stocks which are on the verge of having a breakout, and learn from there. I mean, that's a free forum. You can learn from there, you can earn from there, and you can collect some money and get ready. I'm waiting for you all. I'm waiting for every single person out there to be able to come and trade along with me, right? So with this, I'm once again I'm saying I'm waiting for you. So all the description that you want, like if you go to my YouTube channel, and you will get in the first, if you go to my channel, this is not mine. Switch account. No, this is not mine now. This is not mine. So now you will have to go to my YouTube channel and enter into, go to the description box, and you will be able to see, you will be able to see, all the links that you want, like you can see the link of Telegram channel, you can see the WhatsApp phone number, you can see the website, you can visit my website, right? You can visit my website, which is stockpro.training.com, and go to the webinar part of it, and you can go through all the details. You can run through the entire, my website and go to the webinar. Now my webinar starts on 6th of January. Join now, right? Take various options, whatever you want, and be there. I'm waiting for you all. Good day. Bye bye. See you. One of the stock that I just forgot to discuss with you guys is Apollo tires. Beautiful. Like, I really found it very, very nice. Let me remove the Bollinger Bands. It's been in an uptrend. It's in a beautiful journey. Exactly same pattern as what Nifty had. It opened gap down massively. Yesterday was a beautiful entry in this, right? A few other stocks that I have in my radar were, one was 𝐿, the other was 𝐿𝐻, right? These were stocks on my radar. So let me show you 𝐿𝐻 if I could see here quickly. This is how 𝐿𝐻 is doing today. This is how 𝐿𝐻 is doing today. Like, it's exactly, all of them usually have, I mean, right now have the same structure. So 𝐿𝐻 and 𝐿𝐻 were on my radar for today's trading. All right. So good day, guys. Enjoy. But I'm waiting for you all. Just make up your mind and be there. WhatsApp to me. I'm not in India right now, but I'm available on WhatsApp. Just WhatsApp it to me. You can go to my Telegram channel, join it, and keep getting the stocks on the breakout. All right. See you tomorrow. We'll talk about Nifty tomorrow. We'll see what's happening. As of now, Nifty doesn't look weak to me at all. And if at all, it may bounce back from here. Now the international markets must have opened. You want me to analyze quickly the international market? Let me just see if I could, because I would like to analyze, for you, the international market. See here. Where has it gone? That may take a few minutes. Here it is. So let's see what's happening into the DAX. This is DAX, which is positive. This is FTSE. And let's see what's happening in FTSE, which is also very positive. So I find the market is going to be positive, right? That's what I perceive. Right, let's see, because market definitely looks very, very positive to me. With this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you all. Bye-bye. Good day.